Hey, it's Paul Olbrantz, Clear to Close Brokers. Happy Friday. You made it. Getting ready for the big weekend. We're going to talk a lot about interest rates, what happened this week. It was a really good interest week for interest rates up to today. And we're going to tell you why and what happened. We're going to talk about next week, what to expect. You know, the overall trend is looking good, but there's things that you need to know. So what do you say? We get started here. So let's first bring up the interest rates. If you noticed, there it is. Last week's rates were about 1/8% higher or so. So we're slowly have a downward trend. Now, truthfully, if we did this video yesterday, you would see a lot better of interest rates, but we lost a little ground today. And we're going to tell you why. It has to do with unemployment, but we'll share exactly why that is. But take a look at our rates in the email or in the comments there. You know, I'm really proud of this. We set up Clear to Close Brokers to save you money on your mortgage. We don't need to make all this money. We get rates at wholesale, and we're going to pass that savings onto you. And I'm also wanting to bring up that soon, within the next month, we're going to start a podcast series called Clear to Grow. You like that? Clear to Close? Clear to Grow, where we're going to interview people that are going to teach you, share with you how you can make money and create wealth. I'm super excited for that. We're going to save you money on your mortgage. They're going to teach you how to create more wealth. That's a win-win. I'm excited about that, and I hope you are too. So 2025 forecast, last time I'm going to bring it up. A lot of great information. There it is in there. Not only do I talk about what rates are projected to do, I explained to you why. We talked a lot about the Fed policy, what they're currently predicting short-term rates to go down in 2025, and why we think it's going to change here. So with that, if you want this, the link to the forecast, it's about a half hour. Again, explains why we think rates are going down. It also shares about housing prices and why, you know, you're seeing the articles everywhere that even with higher rates, you're going to still see an upward increase or an upward push on interest rates, or excuse me, on housing prices, especially if if interest rates come down. Here's a little success story I want to share with you. So if you, friends or family, are looking to buy a house and they're being told no, I don't know if I share this with you, but we are actually amazing. We have specialized in alternative loan products that are going to turn those no's into yeses. We have a great point of example. We had a big win this week, or last week, I should say, where we saved somebody. Check this out. Come here. This is huge. We saved them $35,000 in closing cost alone, real dollars, because they were being told no, that they couldn't get a loan. And we said, yes, we can give them a loan. So reach out if you're having troubles being told yes, getting pre-approved, or if you have clients that, you know, are struggling getting approved. I would love to give them, you know, a hopes and dreams conversation, 15 minutes, it's all it takes. And I'll tell you if we can help turn that no into a yes. Here is a gift as it relates to the Clear to Grow. Now, this is something that we give to our clients that have closed on homes. It helps monitor their equity. It gives them tax savings ideas. It shows them how to pay off their loan faster with additional payments. It shows what their potential rents could be. It's huge. It's absolutely amazing. But if you're a home buyer, guess what? You need this as well. This tool is going to put you ahead. It's going to share with you market trends, how long houses are selling, if the market's hot or not. This is a tool that you want to use when searching for a home. If you're not signed up, it's absolutely free. It's my gift to you. Just reach out. I'd be happy to either sign you up or send you the link to sign up for free. And there you go. It's an amazing tool. You better reach out to me. You're going to love this tool. So what happened today with interest rates? So we were all doing great, minding our own business. Everybody was saving money on their mortgages. And we've talked about this not only in the forecast, but in the past. The Fed's in the market is very, very focused on the jobs report. Now, we do believe that it's an initial jerk reaction to the hourly earnings that was higher than expected. But I do think, though, it's to be noted that the market reacted very negatively to that, the bond market, the 30-year fixed rate market, and also the unemployment rate dropping from 4.1 to 4%. But as we've talked about in that forecast, Those numbers should unfortunately correct themselves as we move forward throughout the year, and you should start seeing lower interest rates. All right, what's coming up next? You can't see it, so I'm going to blow it up. On Tuesday, we have the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index. Doesn't that sound amazing? Okay. Powell semi-annual testimony on Wednesday. Mortgage Apps Consumer Price Index, which is measures inflation, which is going to be market moving. Thursday, we have PPI, which is a business type inflation measurement of inflation, initial jobless claims, and 30-year auction. And Friday, we have retail sales. So it's going to be a big week, buckle in. But if you're working with me, we're always ahead of the curve. We're going to get you covered. If you're out looking for houses, we are ready to run some numbers for you. Just give me a call. We'd love to connect. If you are thinking of refinancing, same thing. If you want to do a hopes and dreams conversation where we don't pull credit, we don't look at anything, just put a plan together for you guys. Just hit that QR code and book an appointment. Me and you are going to meet. All right, Paul.